Hello everyone, put a comb through the hair at the bottom and then cut it diagonally as such. Begin to make vertical cuts through the hair. Then take one portion of the hair, put a round brush comb through it and then blow dry it. This will add a little bit of volume to it. Now set it onto the other side. Do the same for the other sections of the hair as well. As you finish another section, join it to the first. Now put it all on one side and arrange it. Let it frame the face delicately. Next, take the bangs of the hair and then cut it right above or at the eyebrow level. Then, do the same on two more sections, small sections on the sides. On the sides, cut it to the face level and then in the center, make a diagonal cut. Cut it according to the lengths of the hair that you had cut before. Now, make it look like an opposite V or an opposite U and then diagonally cut the rest of the hair as well so that it frames the face well. Now, begin to vertically cut it to add more depth to it. This also adds layers. Now take the fringes portion of the hair, put a comb through it and then set it right at the eyebrow level or the eye level. Now bring it slowly down and then set it at the chin level. Begin to cut straight through it as such. Once you are done with this, take the central portion of it and then make an opposite V-shaped cut in it. Now begin to diagonally cut the hair from the sides, that is outwards inwards, and then match it to the central portion. Do the same on the other side as well. This way it will frame the face well. Cut vertically to make it look all the more natural and better. Take one side of the hair and then pull a hair straightener through it. Curve it slightly to add volume to it as such. Do the same for the left side as well. Slightly puff it out to make it look all the more better. This is what it should look like. Next, start off by taking the central portion of the hair, pull a comb through it and then cut it at the lip level in the center. As for the sides, cut it slightly below the chin level. Now, moving outwards in, begin to diagonally cut the hair as such. Make multiple vertical cuts into it. Now, once again, pull the comb through it and then make diagonal cut on the other side to match the center. Make vertical cuts to make it blend in better. Now, once you are done with this, take the comb, once again pull it through and then use the hair straightener on it. Move it outwards so that adds a little bit of puff to the hair as such. Do the same on the left side as well to make it even on both sides. Now make it frame the face delicately. Next, take the central portion of the bangs and then make two slits in it in different levels as such. One below the eyes and one above. Cut it diagonally accordingly and then make an opposite V shape to it. Make the sides gradually match the center cut to it. Use a hair straightener and puff it out slightly. This is a slanting V cut. Use the hair straightener on all the sides so that it frames the face well. Arrange the hair accordingly. Thank you for watching.